We're about to beat this face. These people need to stop playing this music, because if not, I'm gonna be serious. But I'm sure we don't mind a bit of background music, yeah? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi, if you already don't know, and yes, some people call me Shante. So I'm here again today, and in today's video I'm going to be doing like an everyday makeup look. I get a lot of requests from people asking me to know what a beginner needs, or like what products a beginner at makeup needs, like for the everyday and basic makeup looks. And then I decided to actually do a video of it. So I'm going to be showing you like basic products that you need. I'm going to be doing the basic minimum like for your everyday work look, and yeah, so we're still going to be looking snatched. We're not going to be going all the way, but we're still going to be looking bomb AF. So if you like to see how I achieved this very simple everyday look that I bring to your screen now, please keep on watching. So I'm starting off first of all with my By.BMO brow pencil. I really like this pencil because it's quite precise and it makes drawing my brows easy. I'm just going very light-handed with that, after which I'm using the spoolie at the other end of the pencil to brush up my brows. And then I'm going into my concealer, my ColourPop's concealer in deep, and the angled brush from the Nuban Beauty brush set, and I'm just cleaning up my baby brows. Next, I'm just using the spoolie to brush everything, the products into it, and I'm taking a clean brush to blend out the concealer. Then I'm using my Ewarunke tinted brow gel to further set my brows in place so that we're gonna be good for the whole day. Next, I'm priming with the NO7 Boots Primer. You might call it number 7, I call it NO7 for no particular reason. And this is really matte. You might want to use another one if you already have like dry skin. Following that up with my orange corrector, which I love to use because of the spots and hyperpigmentations that I have going on my face. After I blend the orange corrector, I'm going in with my foundation, and for today I'm mixing the TWOK London foundation with the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation to get the exact shade that I like. And I'm blending the foundation with the Nuban Beauty brush. I'm spraying my face with the Nuban Beauty Sealit setting spray and using a beauty sponge also from Nuban Beauty to push the foundation further into my skin. Next, I'm moving on to highlighting with my ColourPop's concealer in deep golden, a little bit of it, and I'm just blending that out with the same beauty sponge that I used earlier on. I'm going back into my foundation brush just to blend out the edges of the concealer and ensure that everything is seamless. After which I'm proceeding to setting with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and a tapered brush from the Nuban Beauty brush set again. I'm just brushing the powder all over where I applied the concealer, and I'm setting the rest of my face with the Zaron Maxi Blend Compact Powder. Going into my CoverGirl Ebony bronzer just to apply some color on my face, and then pinching the contour brush from Nuban to shape out my nose. And I'm further cleaning up the contour with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to have that defined look. And yes, I'm fanning myself because it is extremely hot as I'm filming this video. Going into my IcandyCosmetics illumination palette to apply some glow all over my face. Like, I'm literally putting this all over my face because we gotta glow. And then I'm applying my blush from Sleek, following that up with the Marbrook pencil for my waterline and the Zaron volumizing mascara on my lashes. I'm further dusting my face with some powder and moving to my lips using the ColourPop Sleepy Pencil in K, and then I'm going into the Zaron lipstick pen in Muse for the center of my lips. You can leave it like this for that matte look, but I went in with a gloss just to have like that signature look that I was going for. And then I sprayed the whole of my face with a Nuban Sealit makeup setting spray, and then we're done. So guys, yes, this is pretty much the finished look. As you can see, I don't even have lashes on, so this is totally wearable to work, to anywhere, like your everyday. It won't take time, and at the same time you will look snatched. I hope you liked this look. I intentionally didn't use eyeliner because I'll prefer to wear lashes than using eyeliner. I'm going to go into another tutorial which will teach you guys how to wear falsies. That will be like in the next video I post on like 2 or 3 videos. I'm just going to film the look, but I'm going to be going off this tutorial right now to fix my lashes, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. But then you can totally rock this look without any falsies. Like as you can see, my mascara already brought out my real lashes, and I think like this it's decent enough, like, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, I'll be right back. So yes guys, this is the finished look. I already went on to pop on my lashes, and I used like quite a simple eyelash today. This is from BMO in the style Ife. I didn't want to go extra. Like this can be worn to your office, it can be worn on a regular day, it can be worn for shopping, it can be worn to the gym. No guys, I'm just kidding about that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please if you aren't subscribed already, we need to have a conversation. Move closer, move closer. Why aren't you subscribed? Why? Just tell me. So please, before you leave today, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Can I count on that? Drop a comment for me, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.